Traffic is already painful, my friend. Please do not add clutch funeral arrangements to the situation. If you are crawling forward 1 meter at a time with the clutch halfway up, halfway down, and emotionally confused, your clutch may be quietly suffering. You know this traffic move. The car in front moves a little. You lift the clutch to the bite point, the car creeps forward, then you press the clutch again. Then it happens again. And again. And again. The car is barely moving, but your left foot is working like it is being paid overtime. This habit feels normal because it gives you fine control. The car moves slowly, smoothly, and you do not have to stop fully every few seconds. But the clutch is not meant to live forever in that half-engaged zone. That bite point is useful for moving off, not for camping. When the clutch is partly engaged, the engine and gearbox are not fully connected yet. The clutch is slipping, and slipping creates friction. Friction creates heat. A little bit is normal when moving off, but doing it again and again in traffic can add unnecessary wear over time. Be honest in the comments. In slow traffic, do you creep on the clutch, or do you leave a gap and move properly? No judgment. Okay, small judgment, but friendly judgment. Your answer might save another driver from an expensive clutch bill. The painful part is that clutch problems do not usually send a polite calendar invite. One day the pedal feels weird, the car struggles to move, there is a burning smell, and suddenly your wallet is standing there asking, "Why are we involved?" Clutch repairs are not paid with vibes, my friend. Better traffic habit. Leave a small safe gap instead of creeping every few seconds. When it is time to move, release the clutch smoothly, move forward properly, then either keep moving with the clutch fully released or stop again. Try to spend less time balancing at the bite point. Smooth is good. Half clutch forever is not good. On hills, do not hold the car with the clutch. Use the brake or handbrake where appropriate, then move off smoothly when it is safe. In very slow bumper-to-bumper traffic, patience helps. If the car only needs to move one tiny step, sometimes waiting for a slightly bigger gap is kinder to the clutch than dancing on the bite point every 2 seconds. So here's the quick fix. 1. Do not use the clutch as a traffic speed controller. 2. Avoid resting at the bite point. 3. Leave a safe gap. 4. Move cleanly, then fully release the clutch or stop. 5. If you smell burning or the clutch starts feeling strange, do not ignore it. Your clutch can handle normal driving. That is its job. But repeated half-clutch creeping in traffic can turn a small habit into long-term wear. Like this video, subscribe to DriveSense SA, and comment what driving habit, car problem, or road situation you want us to explain next. Drive smarter, stay safer, save your car.